Good morning, students. We can continue the same exercise 9.1. Next question, question number 11. A TV tower stands. So we have to draw one TV tower. It is standing vertically. So I am drawing like this. This is TV tower. Stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So it is standing vertically on a bank of a canal. Suppose this is a canal. This is standing here. This is the bank. Okay. And from a point on the other bank, so this is the another bank, this is canal, this is the another bank. Okay, so from a point on the another bank directly opposite to the tower, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60. So from here to the top of the tower, it is creating the angle of elevation 60 degree, which is given in the question. From another point 20 meter away from this point, so I am marking another point. This point, second point, is 20 meter away from the first point. That means distance between these 2 points, which is equal to 20 meter, which is given in the question. Okay, so from another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30. So from this another point, this angle of elevation to the top of this tower is 30 degree, which is given in the question. Find the height of the tower. So we have to find this distance first. This is the height of the tower. And width of the canal. Width of the canal means this is canal, correct? This is one side bank, this is another side bank. So we have to calculate this length also. This is the width of the canal. This is the height of the tower. These two values we have to calculate. So I am marking first A, B, C, D. Okay. So first I am taking the triangle. In triangle ABC, this triangle, this small triangle, in triangle ABC, we can write, we have here angle 60. So I am writing here tan 60 degree. What is tan 60? Angle side opposite to the angle 60 degree, that is AB, divided by side adjacent to the angle 60. This is 60, so adjacent side is BC. So AB divided by BC. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60, you know that value is root 3. So I am writing here root 3 is equal to AB. We don't know what is the value of AB. So I written it as AB by BC also we don't know. AB we don't know, BC we don't know. So AB by BC are written same. Cross multiplication, we will get root 3 into BC is equal to AB, or I am taking this root 3 here and BC here. Okay, so we will get BC, I am taking here BC is equal to AB divided by root 3. I am putting it as equation number 1. Okay, this root 3 taken on the right hand side and BC taken on the left hand side. So I am putting it as equation number 1. Next I am taking the triangle ABD, this biggest triangle. Okay, so in triangle ABD, which angle we have here? This is 30 degree. So I am calculating tan 30 degree. What is tan 30? Side opposite to 30 degree, that is AB, divided by side adjacent to 30 degree, that is BD. So AB divided by BD. Okay, tan 30 we know the value. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So I am writing here 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. We don't know, I written it as AB instead of instead of BD. BD means this total length. That means we can write it as BC, this length plus CD, sum of these two length, correct? So I am writing BC plus CD. So instead of BD I am writing BC plus CD. So BC we already calculated here. What is BC? BC is AB by root 3. So instead of this BC I am writing this value, and value of CD. What is CD here? This is given in the question. CD is equal to 20 meter. So CD is equal to 20 meter, we know that. So I am substituting these two values here. Okay, so 1 by root 3 is equal to AB, written same, AB divided by BC. What is BC? AB by root 3 plus CD is 20. So I am taking the LCM here. 1 by root 3 written the same, and again AB divided by AB into 1 AB plus 20 into root 3 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, again I am taking the reciprocal of this one, so 1 by root 3 I written it as this root 3 come onto the numerator. AB into root 3 means AB root 3 divided by, we will get here AB plus 20 root 3. Okay, now we can write here AB root 3 into this root 3 I am going to take here. So AB root 3 into taking this root 3 here. This root 3 divided by remaining term AB plus 20 root 3 is equal to what here? 1. So AB root 3 into this root 3 divided by this term is equal to 1. We got it. Normal calculation. Okay. So now we got AB root 3 into root 3 divided by AB plus 20 root 3 is equal to 1. Next I am taking this term on the right hand side. So root 3 into root 3, we know that answer is equal to 3. So 3 into AB is equal to 1 into this term. That means same term AB plus 20 root 3 you will get onto the right hand side. Okay. So here I am taking this AB onto the left hand side. So we will get 3AB, this AB comes here minus AB, 3AB minus AB, 2AB which is equal to 20 root 3. So this 2 and 20 we can cancel, 10 will come here. So AB is equal to 10 root 3. What is AB? AB is this one. This distance is AB, correct? So we get it AB. What is AB? Height of tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Next we have to calculate BC, this distance, correct? So I am calculating BC. What is BC? BC already we have here AB by root 3. So AB by root 3. What is AB? AB we calculated 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. We will get 10 meter. So now we got this BC is equal to 10 meter. What is BC? BC is width of canal. So we got it here. Width of canal is equal to 10 meter. So height of the tower we got it here and width of the canal got it here. So the answer over.